Hey everyone, it's your family trip crew. We're back with a super cool adventure in Siem Reap, Cambodia. We're not just seeing temples this time. Don't worry, we'll get to those. We're exploring the coolest, freshest natural water spots around. Think amazing lakes, awesome waterfalls you'll want to jump in, and we do. And old reservoirs that feel like stepping back in time. Get ready to explore the top 5 freshwater sites in and around Siem Reap. You won't want to miss this. Welcome to our channel. Today we're checking out the top 5 natural freshwater spots in and around Siem Reap, Cambodia. Let's go. First, we're going to a place that's like its own little world, Tonle Sap Lake. This isn't just any lake, it's a marvel of nature and human adaptation. Located in the heart of Cambodia, Tonle Sap is a lifeline for millions of people. It's a place where water and life are intertwined in the most fascinating ways. It's the biggest freshwater lake in Southeast Asia, and it's huge, seriously massive. Covering an area of up to 16,000 square kilometers during the rainy season, it's a vast expanse of water that seems to stretch endlessly. The lake is so large that it can be seen from space. Its sheer size is a testament to the incredible natural forces at play here. This lake grows and shrinks with the seasons, showing how powerful nature is. During the dry season, it shrinks to about 2,500 square kilometers, but when the monsoon rains come, it expands dramatically. This seasonal transformation is crucial for the ecosystem, supporting a rich diversity of life. The rise and fall of the water levels create a dynamic environment that sustains both wildlife and human communities. The coolest part? People live here all year round in floating villages. These villages are a unique adaptation to the changing water levels. Houses, schools, and even markets float on the water, rising and falling with the lake. It's a way of life that has evolved over centuries, perfectly in harmony with the natural rhythms of the lake. Imagine, your backyard is the lake. Every day you wake up to the gentle rocking of your house on the water. Your commute might involve paddling a boat instead of driving a car. The lake is not just a backdrop, it's an integral part of daily life. From fishing to transportation, everything revolves around the water. We took a boat, explored the waterways, and saw what life is like on the water. Navigating through the narrow channels, we witnessed the vibrant community life. Children playing, vendors selling goods from their boats, and families going about their daily routines. It's a bustling, lively place full of energy and activity. Floating houses, floating markets, floating schools, even floating basketball courts. The ingenuity of the people here is truly remarkable. They have created a fully functional society on the water, with all the amenities you would find on land. Schools where children learn, markets where people trade, and even recreational facilities like basketball courts. It's a testament to human resilience and creativity. It's like another world and everyone is so friendly. The sense of community is strong and the people are incredibly welcoming. They have adapted to their unique environment with grace and ingenuity, creating a harmonious balance between human life and nature. Their warmth and hospitality make you feel right at home, even in this extraordinary setting. Tonle Sap isn't just about the villages, it's full of wildlife. The lake and its surrounding floodplains are a haven for biodiversity. From fish to birds to mammals, the variety of life here is astounding. The seasonal flooding creates rich feeding grounds, supporting a complex web of life that thrives in this unique ecosystem. Rare birds, crazy fish, and even some monkeys. The lake is home to over 300 species of fish, making it one of the most productive inland fisheries in the world. Birdwatchers flock here to see rare and endangered species, and if you're lucky, you might even spot a monkey swinging through the trees. The diversity of wildlife is a reminder of the lake's ecological importance. It's a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, which means it's super important for nature. This designation recognizes the lake's critical role in supporting biodiversity and sustaining human livelihoods. Conservation efforts are in place to protect this precious ecosystem, ensuring that it remains a vibrant and thriving habitat for future generations. This place is full of life, and it reminds us how amazing our planet is. The interplay between water, wildlife, and human communities at Tonle Sap is a powerful example of nature's resilience and adaptability. It's a place that inspires awe and respect, reminding us of the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. Visiting Tonle Sap is not just a journey to a unique destination, it's an exploration of the profound connections that bind us all to the natural world. Next, we're off to Phnom Kulen National Park, a hidden gem in Cambodia that offers a unique blend of history, nature, and adventure. This park is not just about its natural beauty, It's also a place where old temples and waterfalls meet, creating a mystical atmosphere. The ancient temples, some of which date back to the 9th century, are scattered throughout the park, offering a glimpse into the rich history and culture of the region. After a hot day exploring these historical sites, nothing beats a refreshing swim in the park's cool waters. The natural pools are fed by waterfalls, making them the perfect spot to relax and unwind. Phnom Kulen Waterfall is particularly stunning, with water cascading over mossy rocks into clear, inviting pools. The sight and sound of the waterfall create a serene environment that is hard to leave. The sound of the water is so relaxing, it's like nature's own lullaby. You can close your eyes and let the sound wash over you, taking away all your stress and worries. We couldn't resist the temptation to jump in, and wow, it was cold. The initial shock of the cold water quickly gave way to a refreshing and invigorating feeling, but in a good way. The cold water was exactly what we needed to cool off after a day of exploring. It was like a natural reset button, leaving us feeling rejuvenated and ready for more adventures. It was perfect for cooling off. The combination of the cool water and the lush green surroundings made it feel like we were in a tropical paradise. The park felt like a real jungle, with green plants everywhere and birds singing. The air was filled with the sounds of nature, from the rustling of leaves to the chirping of birds, creating a symphony that was both calming and invigorating. We even had a picnic by the waterfall. There's something incredibly special about enjoying a meal surrounded by nature, with the sound of the waterfall in the background and the fresh air all around. If you want to escape the hustle and bustle of the city, Phnom Kulen is the perfect place. The park offers a peaceful retreat where you can reconnect with nature and recharge your batteries. Fresh air, nature, and a swim in a waterfall. Sometimes, simple is best. The beauty of Phnom Kulen lies in its simplicity and the way it allows you to experience nature in its purest form. Whether you're swimming in the cool waters, exploring ancient temples, or simply enjoying the sounds of the jungle, this park offers a unique and unforgettable experience. Okay, picture this, a giant old reservoir reflecting the sky like a mirror. That's West Beret, and it's so peaceful. It's man-made, built way back in the 9th century, and it's still here. It shows how smart the Khmer Empire was. We rented a boat and just relaxed on the water. The only sounds were the water and some birds. It was the perfect escape from the city. We even saw some fishermen, something that's been happening here for hundreds of years. As the sun set, the sky looked amazing, reflecting on the water. West Beret is a place to relax, think, and enjoy simple beauty. Sometimes quiet is best. Want to bathe like royalty? Imagine stepping into a world where the very act of bathing is elevated to an art form, a ritual steeped in history and luxury. Get ready to feel like a king or queen at Sra Srang, the royal bath. This ancient reservoir located in the heart of Angkor, Cambodia, was once the exclusive bathing spot for the Khmer royalty. This place is like a fairy tale, a big reservoir with green plants and old ruins. The lush greenery surrounding the water creates a serene and almost magical atmosphere, making you feel like you've stepped into another world. Khmer kings and queens relaxed here, and you can feel the history. As you walk around, you can almost hear the whispers of the past, the laughter of the royal family, and the splashing of water as they enjoyed their time in this tranquil setting. Imagine swimming here, surrounded by the grandeur of the Khmer Empire. The thought alone transports you back in time, allowing you to envision the opulence and splendor that once defined this place. You can't swim here anymore, sadly, but Sra Srang is still a must-see, especially at sunrise or sunset. The way the light dances on the water's surface is nothing short of mesmerizing. We went before sunrise and wow, the early morning light casts a golden hue over everything, making the ancient stones and water shimmer with a mystical glow. The sky was orange, pink, and purple, reflecting on the water. It was beautiful. The colors blend seamlessly, creating a breathtaking canvas that is both calming and awe-inspiring. We even saw some monks, making it feel peaceful and spiritual. Their presence adds a layer of tranquility and reverence to the experience, reminding you of the deep spiritual significance of this place. Sra Srang is a place of peace and wonder. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or someone seeking a moment of quiet reflection, this ancient reservoir offers something for everyone. The combination of natural beauty and historical depth makes it a truly unique destination. Get ready for something unique. Kabal Speen. the River of 1,000 Lingas. This isn't a normal river, it's a sacred place with carvings of Hindu gods, including lots of lingas, for the god Shiva, carved into the riverbed. It's like a hidden treasure in the jungle. We hiked through the forest following the water until we found it. The carvings are amazing, showing the skill of the ancient Khmer people. We explored the riverbed, looking at the carvings and feeling the cool water. It's amazing to see such an old and sacred place. Cabal Speen also has a pretty waterfall and a clear pool. It's perfect for cooling off after your hike. So, that's our trip to Siem Reap's amazing freshwater spots. From the floating villages of Tonlesap Lake to the carvings of Cabal Speen, this place has it all. We swam in waterfalls, relaxed on reservoirs, and saw awesome sunrises. Siem Reap is more than just temples, and these natural wonders show how beautiful Cambodia is. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures.